Welcome back to Hood to Holdings. Here's your quick-fire breakdown of the 25 biggest things that moved the stock market today. July 10, 2025. U.S. markets hit fresh record highs. The S&P 500 climbed to 6,280. The Dow rose to 44,650. And the Nasdaq hovered just above 20,600. Small caps joined the rally, with the Russell 2000 gaining 0.5%, a bullish sign of market-wide strength. Nvidia's insane run continues, now valued at over $4 trillion. That alone pushed the tech sector higher. Airlines took off today. Delta shares popped 12%, and United jumped 14% after both posted strong earnings and raised guidance. WK Kellogg surged nearly 30% on rumors of a buyout from Ferrero, the Nutella giant. Oil prices dropped 2%, closing near $66. That lifted travel and logistics stocks, including FedEx and UPS. MP Materials soared nearly 60% after landing a major Pentagon contract to secure rare earth supply. Fortinet and Palo Alto Networks dipped sharply as investors rotated out of cybersecurity. TSMC reported a 39% jump in Q2 revenue, lifting chipmakers and semiconductors across the board. Treasury yields ticked higher as weekly jobless claims came in at 227,000, better than expected. Copper prices spiked after the U.S. announced 50% tariffs on Brazilian copper, effective August 1st. The FTSE 100 in London hit an all-time high above 8,970, thanks to rising mining stocks and a weaker dollar. Germany's DAX also hit record levels on news of expanded government spending programs. Bitcoin ripped past $113,000, helped by new ETF inflows and positive regulatory developments. Gold moved up 0.3% as inflation pressures cooled slightly. OPEC revised global oil demand down, citing soft Chinese data. In other headlines, Royal Mail got the green light to cancel Saturday deliveries in the UK to cut costs. Revolut, the fintech giant, is under new investigation from Italian regulators. Satellite tech made headlines as France and the UK backed new investment into Eutelsat. Back in the US, consumer stocks rose with Amazon and Walmart leading gains after better-than-expected CPI whispers. Tesla held flat, despite big swings midday. Chipotle, meanwhile, announced a 2-for-1 stock split and rallied 4%. Redfin shares dipped as housing inventory climbed for the third straight month. And finally, the VIX remains near year lows, signaling strong investor confidence. That's your daily dose of market intelligence. Follow Hood to Holdings for no-fluff finance that makes sense.